There's something about a dirt road that calls to the soul, untamed, unbroken, and brimming with promise. Out here on the Mid-Atlantic Backcountry Discovery Route, the world feels raw and limitless. It feels different. Time slows down, and the noise of everyday life fades away. All that's left is the hum of your Pan America and the excitement of what lies ahead. The Harley Pan America is built for this kind of ride, built to tackle whatever the road throws at you. But the beauty of these bikes is that they're not just machines, they're partners in adventure. Each twist of the throttle feels like a conversation with the road, a way to say, let's see where this takes us. As the bike rumbles to life beneath us, the engines harmonize with the crunch of gravel and the rustle of leaves. Every time we open it up, it carries us deeper into a world untouched by the chaos of modern life. The dirt kicks up behind us, marking where we've been, while the horizon ahead dares us to dream of where we're going. The dirt road keeps us on our toes, loose gravel, hidden ruts, and the occasional mud pit to keep things interesting. That's part of the thrill, isn't it? It's not just about a perfect ride, it's about embracing the imperfections, leaning into the challenge and coming out on the other side with a grin that says, holy shit, I just did that. The landscape shifts with every mile. Hills stretch like waves before us, shaded forest corridors alive with golden sunlight, and open stretches that make you feel like you're riding through a painting. It's more than just scenery, it's a reminder of how beautiful this world is. Then there's the solitude. It's not the kind that feels lonely, it's the kind that brings clarity. Out here, miles from the nearest town, you let go. You let go of the stress, the mundane, all the things that weigh you down, and you find yourself. The sound of the engine fades into the background, and for a few moments, it's just you, the road, and your thoughts. You start to realize how rare that kind of peace is, and how much you need it. You pull over, take off your helmet, and just breathe. But solitude doesn't mean you're alone. Riding with friends adds a layer to the journey that's hard to put into words. It's not just about where you're going, it's about who you're going with. The unspoken connection of sharing the trail, the laughs during a quick break that always seem to take too long, but are never quite long enough. The camaraderie of tackling tough sections together, the implied respect and understanding which grows stronger with each mile. These moments forge bonds that last a lifetime. We're all chasing something out here, escape, adventure, maybe even a piece of ourselves. And we're doing it together. As the day winds down, the sun sinks low, casting rays of warm sunshine over the hills. The shadows grow longer, but our spirits don't. Because out here, on the dirt roads of the BDR, you can't help but feel grateful. Grateful for the bikes that got you here, and will hopefully get you home too. Grateful for the roads that challenged you, friends who shared the journey with you. And lastly, the discovery of freedom, inspiration, of divine bliss. This is why we ride, for the thrill, the beauty, the solitude, and the friendship. It's more than just a journey, it's the ride of a lifetime, at least until the next one.